Welcome to On the Job with Chris, and today I'm going to be showing y'all a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. This right here is the kitchen area. When you first come through the front door, this is the kitchen area right here. And then this is the this is the living room or dining room, whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do with it. This is the patio door. Patio door right here. This is the patio door. This is how big the balcony is. You see, it's a beautiful day outside. This is one of the bedrooms right here. This is one of the bedrooms. And this is the closet. This is the closet of the first bedroom that we came across. This is how it looks. Very spacious. Carpet looks nice. And well vacuumed. You got windows right here. Corner windows. And then you have the AC closet. You got the first bathroom right here. You got the toilet, the tub, the backdrop of the shower. Yes. Towel rack. Yeah. So this is the bathroom. And then we're gonna whip around. And right here, that's the front door right there. This is the master bedroom. Right here. This is the master bedroom. And this is the hallway to the closet area. You see you got a big spacious closet. You can hang all your clothes up and your shoes and whatever else you want to do. And it has swinging doors, as you can see. And then this is the master bathroom right here. We got the toilet seat. We got the toilet right there. Tissue holder. We got cabinets right here that opens. You got double mirrors, double sinks, and you have the glass shower right here. You have the glass shower. Towel rack, and then we're back out the door. This is how it looks. In this area right here, you can make anything out of this little bitty tiny room. You can make it an extra bedroom without a door, or you can make it like an office space. You can put your desk and your computer, stuff like that in there. Make it a YouTube room, whatever you want to do. And this is the front door, which I'm going to be painting because, as you can see, there's some stuff on the door, some marks and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm finna get ready to paint this door. You see I got my paint right here. Got my paintbrush. Yep, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my paintbrush and I'm gonna put it over this. Dip my paint back in here. Okay, as you all can see, I got most of it painted. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'll make another video showing you the finished results after the door is completely painted. I appreciate y'all for viewing and tuning in to what I got going on. So without further ado, make sure y'all follow, subscribe, comment, share, all of that. So without further ado, you're on the job with Chris, and I'm checking out. Peace.